Once upon a time in a kingdom of eternal spring, there was a princess named Amara, known for her beauty and kindness. Despite countless suitors from far and wide, Amara felt no connection with any of them. Her heart longed for a love that was true and deep, not one based on titles or wealth. One day, while wandering the gardens of the palace, Amara came across a young gardener named Finn. He was tending to a bed of wildflowers, his hands rough from work but his touch gentle. Intrigued by his passion for the flowers, she struck up a conversation with him. Over time, they began to meet secretly in the garden, sharing stories, dreams, and laughter. Amara found herself drawn to Finn's sincerity, his love for nature, and the way he saw beauty in the simplest things. As their bond grew stronger, Amara realized that she had found the love she had been searching for. But she knew that the kingdom would never accept a princess marrying a gardener. Torn between duty and her heart, she decided to reveal her love to the king. To her surprise, the king, who had always wanted his daughter to be happy, saw the genuine love between them and gave his blessing. Amara and Finn were married in a simple ceremony in the garden where they had first met, surrounded by the flowers they both loved. The kingdom rejoiced, for they saw that true love was not about status or riches, but about the connection between two souls who saw each other's true worth. And so, Princess Amara and Finn lived a life of love and contentment, proving that when hearts are united in true love, nothing else matters.